Hello, wonderful attendees. I'm your host, Dalvinder Kaur from Lovely Professional University. Get ready to dive into today's topic, that is From Zero to AI Hero, a roadmap to successful placements. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Mr. Tamagan, AVP of Products, Future and Technologies. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi, Associate Professor in the field of Mechanical Engineering. With over 20 years of teaching experience, his vast knowledge and expertise will surely pave the path for attendees, offering valuable information on a wide range of research opportunities, internships, and study abroad programs in the field of sciences. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. And now I hand over the things to Mr. Tamagan, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from him. Over to you, Mr. Tamagan.
Thanks for the introduction, Ms. Dalvinder Kaur. Let me just share my screen to explain about the program in brief. So that you get a brief background about the company overall and the offerings that we do. So Futurance operates in an upskilling space, and our entire motto is zero cost upskilling. So what we do best is understand the job requirements in the market from the clients, who are typically Fortune 500 companies, startups, and big organizations. And then we map out a comprehensive training curriculum and then train candidates as per the job roles in a 4 to 5 months period. That's what is our core of Futurance, where we understand the market in detail, map out the job roles, and then train according to job roles in various emerging technologies and tools, including AI, data engineering, data science, LLM engineering, etc. So here we operate in 4 different business verticals. One is zero cost upskilling, which is our hire, train, and deploy vertical, where we hire talent from the market, train them for a period of 4 to 6 months, and deploy them to the clients. And the second one is the executive education programs, which is again tagged as Futurance Uni, second chance at your IIT dream. We have partnerships with a lot of IITs and IIMs, and through that partnerships, we are offering candidates with a lot of PGD and MTech and MBA programs, and which is, somewhat you can call it like a second chance at your IIT dream. This is targeting people who couldn't get into an IIT and providing that college dream. So that's what is our second motto. Third pathway is our Futurance US pathway, where we map out the candidate's interest, whoever who wants to go to. We have a direct collaboration with a lot of US universities offering these master's programs to 2+ years experienced candidates post their BTech, BCA, BCom, etc. So that's the Futurance US pathway, where 30% of the course is completed in India and the 70% of the course is completed in US. It's like a unique model that we have come up with, and it's pretty successful as well. And the fourth model is, of course, the Futurance Campus, which is transforming tech education and revolutionizing engineering, which is our entire set of BTech programs that we handle across different set of universities, including the LPU University, where we manage the BTech in artificial intelligence and data engineering program. You can see a lot of stats, like these are our strengths: 700+ employees, how many partnerships with IITs we have, how many clients we have, etc. This gives you a brief understanding about our entire strength of Futurance. Ahead. So again, we have a lot of offices across India, and we have won a lot of prestigious awards and recognition from a lot of big analytics and also Analytics India magazines, Women in Tech Leadership Award as well. We have been featured in a lot of, high tech articles, including TEDx, People Matters, Mashable, Forbes, Financial Express, etc. And again, this is brief overview about your core strength of Future and US pathway, where we have direct collaboration with US. These are the key MS programs we handle as a part of the program. Everything is related to either MS or MBA or an engineering program. You can see a lot of fields like data science, computer engineering, robotics, cybersecurity, etc. This is like a brief gist of what all universities we have. We have a lot more, research oriented and research focused R1 universities of US, including Case Western, Drexel, RIT, Rider, Rutgers, etc. And as you can see, it's like a unique credit transfer program where 30% of the coursework is done in terms of certification with the IITs and IIMs, and the rest 70% of the coursework is done in US using a dual coursework model. Now, again, we have a lot of industry partnerships since we have been in the industry a lot. We are working a lot more in collaboration with the industry, understanding the job role requirements and how the entire analytics and data engineering space is shaping up. So these are a list of our Fortune 500 companies which we work with in the either through a staffing route or a hire, train, and deploy route or executive education route. So this is our and a comprehensive list of who our clients we have worked with previously, and there are a lot more added to the list as well, which are not shown here, of course, but this is like a brief overview of this, where we, curate set of case studies, domain expertise in projects, understanding the job role requirements, etc., and then we train candidates and deploy them to one of these clients. So this is how our core strength works. Now, talking about our specific program, BTech in Computer Science Engineering in specialization with artificial intelligence and data engineering. This is for the people who are very data hungry and who would like to do a lot more with the data, understand a lot of information, gain a lot of analysis or outcomes out of the data. So this is for the people who like data a lot. So this is a very, huge emerging field where you get to learn a lot, in fields like artificial intelligence in your year two and machine learning in year three and year four in a lot of, emerging tech, advanced tech tools like Chat GPT, Llama AI, Meta AI, etc. There are a lot of things that you can explore in this program. Everything is industry oriented, and we keep on updating our syllabus and the workshops or whatever we do on basis of this. So again, this is like a tagline that we have for the program, which is like become the kings and queens and conquer the ID world. And as you can see, there's a lot of dynamics that is going on in the industry. So then there's a lot of industry demand as well for this program. Yeah, as you can see, we can learn 100 plus industry relevant tools and technologies like ChatGPT, prompt engineering, generative AI, competitive coding, spatial computing, etc. And 32% in recent years are the job openings for AI-based engineers and data scientists as well. And in terms of CAGR, you can see $17 billion is something that's an estimated AI market, according to BCG and NASSCOM reports. And the same for demand for AI talent in India, it's 15% CAGR. And it's reported to grow by 2027 as per the NASSCOM reports. So, future-proof your career, mastery in technology, cross-cultural dynamics is something that we aim for in the candidates. Basically, the end outcome of the program is creating technopreneurs. We want people to have both technical skills and also the entrepreneurship skills inside them. That is what our major goal is, digging deep into personal branding, entrepreneurship, etc., all of these are our major aims. That is something that we aim for as an outcome of the program. And that's how the entire curriculum was built earlier. And that's how the current students are working. Current students are studying with us in the same kind of model. Coming to the student journey, in year one, they will go through a lot of foundational courses like mathematics, English, biology, etc. And year two, again, mastery in data engineering concepts with a 3-month paid internship. Year three, mastery in machine learning concepts, again with a paid internship of 3 months. And year four, 6 months of paid internship with a mastery in artificial intelligence concepts, along with a lot of emerging tech and AI tools as well. So throughout this, you can see 3 months plus 3 months plus 6 months will gain a holistic almost 1 year of experience even before you graduate from the program. That's how is something we are aiming for in the candidates. And again, all of them are paid internships, so you can earn while you learn. That's how you can grow together while learning with the program. So now coming to the key highlights of the program, we give something called as a conditional letter of intent, which promises jobs after year four based on set of conditions that you will be going through, which is typically attendance, your marks, your conduct, your internship scores, etc. And then there's a 3 stipend-based internships across your 4 months, 4 years of the program, which will give you an ability to gain up to 1 years of experience even before you graduate, which is like an earn while you learn model. And mentorship and guidance from Futurence's Leadership Council with Mang and Fortune 500 industry leaders and stalwarts. We have something called as Futurence Leadership Council, where we have 30 plus industry forward leaders in the Fortune 500 space who are AI front. Now, AI is something that's not obsolete. AI is something that is going on currently. So all of us will have to adapt to this rapid change in the AI market immediately to be relevant in the market. And those are the set of skills that companies are asking for while taking the interviews in the candidate. So that's how we have onboarded all of these AI forward leaders from the Fortune 500 and Mang companies in our pool called as Futurance Leadership Council, who will be coming in, which will help you understand what is going on currently in the market, stay relevant, and crack the high paying jobs as well. And the fourth one is project centric learning with the emphasis of advanced tech tools and technologies. Since you have seen, we have 3 different internships, 3 months, 3 months, and 6 months. So everything is project centric. Students learn a lot of hands on assignments and projects with an emphasis of all of these new tools and technologies, which I'll be showing you in the upcoming slides. So these are some brief overview of what all tools are covered as a part of the program. We have bifurcated in 3 different categories: data science and AI, data engineering specific tools, generative AI tools. These are the 3 categories where the students will be going throughout this 4 years of the program. Data science and AI skills include Python, SQL, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, advanced statistics, advanced Excel, machine learning, deep learning. All of these skills are something that are either plugged inside your curriculum or will be taught in our internships. Coming to data engineering specific, which is like the core of our program, we put a lot of emphasis on tools like Spark, big data, data warehousing and mining, Hadoop, ETL tools, Scala, cloud-based offerings like Microsoft Azure, AWS, and GCP, and also bid on Hadoop and data modeling. And the third one is generative AI. Generative AI is something that falls under the emerging tech categories, where students will be learning large language models and also small language models, which is LLMs, is something we call. So each and every big company in the Mang, environment have these LLMs models already in place. You will see OpenAI's ChatGPT, you will see Meta's Llama, you will see Google's Gemini. All of these are large learning models, and that is something we have already plugged inside our curriculum, which will be taught to the students. And there's something called as LangChain, Hugging Face, vector databases, Llama Index. All of these are some of the overview of the tools which I've shown here will be taught as a part of the program already. And if there is anything that is emerging in the market or we feel that is relevant, everything will be dynamically changed and plugged inside our curriculum so that it's very relevant to the market and students crack the jobs easily. Now, coming to the career opportunities based on our mapping, where actually these are all our insights that we got from a company called as Glassdoor. So these are the career mappings that we predict as a part of the program, which can be a data analyst, data or AI scientist, data architect, data engineer, senior data engineer, AI ML engineer. There are a lot of career opportunities that open up after you're done with the program, with an average salary, as you can see, between 9 to 20 or 25 lakhs also. That is how demanding that this entire roles are, and you can see the growth as well. Fastest growing tech occupations, there's data engineer, machine learning engineer. So it's completely totally relevant to what is going on currently in the market, and that is how we are aiming for to inculcate all of these skills in the student who have enrolled in our program. This is like an overview of the Futurance Leadership Council. These are all the top people who are AI forward and doing things in the AI analytics and emerging technologies space currently in the market. All of them are, a part of us, helping us in building talent. And, you can think it in such a way that they're helping build AI talent for India. So a lot of people have this generic set of skills that they will be learning from, which is like the core of the program, be it mathematical skills or basic ML skills or statistics or EDA, whatever be it, the basics or the foundations remains the same. But the skills or tools that are required to be relevant in the market are, something that we can only understand from the industry leaders only, because they have been there, they have been using it, they understand the dynamics of what is going on in the market, and then even they are working along with their entire team of 100 to 200 people on that specific set of case study or a use case. That is why we have onboarded all of these people to help our students grow, understand, learn about all of this slowly, gradually. And we have something called as Tech Titans that go on every week, where students will understand about the new topic, the journey of the expert, what all they use as a part of their day-to-day activities as well. So this is like an overview of all the leaders we have onboarded till now. You can see different sectors as well: BFSI, e-commerce, fintech, healthcare. Because there's we have wide set of industries and sectors range, so we have onboarded almost all the sector leaders as well here. So our strength is our, of course, our students. These are all of your seniors of 2022 batch and 2023 batch. We engage a lot more with them. We have a lot more fun. The student experience is our core of our program. We not only take the technical education very seriously, but also we have a lot more fun, encourage a lot more student experience activities, have more engagement sessions, etc. Again, we have already shown it to you earlier. We have offices across Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Pune. And I would say why Futurance again? Because we have, uh, okay, so I could say we have industry first company's focus, where we have a vast network of industry expert, top tech voices who play an active role in designing, positioning, evangeling, and teaching in all of these programs. So either they have taught over a long period of time, or they have studied and come up from top tier colleges of the world, like Harvard, Stanford, etc. So they are something, I would say, the drastic shift in the market dynamics, everything is because of them. So it's about entirely their brains. That is how they are plugging inside the market, and that's how they are generating a lot more insights for world to become a better place in terms of operational efficiency. We work with a lot of them, and they are a part of our Futurance Leadership Council in domains of AI, analytics, and emerging technologies. And also, we have a good amount of social media outreach. Also, you can check our Instagram handles, YouTube handles, etc. We have a lot, millions of followers, millions of digital outreach. We have targeted customer acquisitions campaigns going on. We do a lot. So we are totally focused on data engineering, AI, analytics spaces, and you get state of the art, learning experience platform as well, which we call it as an LMS, learning management system, enabling learners and faculty to deliver and focus, on the education. All the assignments, projects, or case studies that we upload as a part of the program is exchanged on our LMS platform itself. So that's where you will get the access of the LMS platform as well. So this is the brief about our program and our offerings and what all we do as a part of the program. So that's pretty much the overview. Now we can break for questions if there's anything.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tamagan. So can we take questions, Mr. Tamagan?
Yeah.
Thanks for giving me chance to address your question. Now let's start with the first question. So Megha is asking here, what are the key steps and strategies outlined in the form Zero to Hero roadmap that can help students achieve a successful placement in their desired field?
Got it. So, Mega, right? So I will give you a clarity. So you have seen the student journey chart as well. Let me reshare my screen so that it's clear for you again. Yeah. So generally, if you see a BTech graduate after 4 years is considered as a fresher. But you can see we have plugged in three different internships of 3 months, 3 months, and 6 months duration, which are compulsory for the students. One thing that will, highlight on your CV is your 1 years of experience even before you have graduated. And the type of tools or technologies that you will be going through in these internships is totally focused on data engineering, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. That's how it is entirely structured. Now, I would say data structures and algorithms and data analysis and algorithms are the core of whatever be the project or whatever be the interview or the interview asked during your placement drive. That is something we focus on mainly in all of these internships, handling the core of your basics of whatever data engineering concepts you have. Based on that, we build on top of that, which is like a stack. It's like a stackable model where we reinforce the foundations and add the data engineering tools that I've shown it to you in the next slide, and then we build everything on top of that, so that after 4 years you're confident enough that whatever be the coding challenge and whatever be the problem that the interviewer is asking, you can easily crack that. So that's how we are planning in phases with that. And also we have something called as a 4-step career assistance as well. We are good at it, and we have been doing it in a lot of institutions as well, where 4 steps means first we connect with you one on one, which is called as a candidate profiling. We understand your profile, your strengths, and help you build a strong CV. After that, we do something called as a job role mapping, where based on your profile we help you out that this is where 3-4 areas or 5-6 areas which you will be very confident in cracking, be it data analyst or a data engineering role or an AI role, depending on your profile. After that, we'll have a lot of mock interviews, group discussions, and industry speaker sessions as well, which will help you build confidence in cracking the real interview. After that, we start giving you a lot of opportunities and industry visits from the people, so that you will understand what might be the potential question that the interviewer or a recruiter might ask, so that whatever be the scenario or whatever be the problem, you're confident enough to crack that. So that's how we are planning in phases. So it's like a 4-year duration that will really help you out.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tamagan. Adil is asking here, how can students leverage internships, networking, and skill building activities to transition from academic life to a successful professional career as discussed in the form Zero to Hero Roadmap?
Okay. So I will give you a clarity of that also. So academia is something that you will be going through your regular curriculum or regular classes or syllabus that you have been through, all of that. So academia is something that we really, encourage the students to grab properly the core mathematics or core coding skills. And with the internships or the regular co-curricular activities, you can build your industry relevant skills. Okay, so the tools or technologies that I've been telling you, there's a lot more. Like if I would say, there are 100 plus AI tools and technologies that we're aiming for the student, who we for the program. So 100 plus AI tools and technologies will be teaching you. So academic skills will obviously, from the LPU faculty or future tense faculty, you will be obviously getting in. On top of that, from industry point of view, will be training you. So be it personal branding or be it entrepreneurship, or if your career aspirations go into a job role kind of a thing after 4 years in terms of placements, it's whatever you want to choose. So that's how we want to build a holistic environment for you, so that it depends on you on what career path you want to choose.
Thank you so much. I hope all the participants got the answer from our expert, Mr. Tamagan. So now I would request to the admission nominee, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi, to be on the screen. Over to you, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Very good afternoon, all. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm going to share my screen so that I'm going to highlight the things like approvals we have and accreditations we have. Okay. Right. Okay. So I'm going to start from the accreditations we have, approvals we have. Very first, I'm going to discuss about the NAC. In the NAC, we have received the highest NAC grade A++ with a score of 3.68 on 4-point scale. And it is the highest score in first cycle of accreditation among all government and private universities. Further, if I'm going to discuss the criteria on which NAC is going to accredit, going to analyze the criteria for the you can say institute and universities. So these are the 7 criterias: circular aspect, teaching, learning and evaluation, research, innovation and extension, and then infrastructure and learning resources, student support and progress, governance, leadership and management, institutional value and best practices. So these are the 7 criterias. And furthermore, I'm going to tell you UGC because it has recognized LPU with the grant of graded autonomy in the category 1. And further, if I talk about the NF ranking, the rank we have 50th in Engineering Institutes of India by NF ranking. And if I talk about the other rankings, We have 38 amongst all government and private universities in India, 16th in architecture, 16th in law, 17th in pharmacy, like so on, 42nd in research, and 50th in engineering. And if I talk about the world university ranking, the world university ranking basically you can say rank all the universities in globally. And if I specifically talk about the innovation part, the world university ranking for innovation measures how university contribute to society and industry in the real world, and highlight creative and innovative approaches to university research and education based on various categories. And in this ranking, especially this World University Ranking for Innovation, uh, in this ranking, we have fourth in India and 126th globally in world top innovative universities. And if I talk furthermore, with this rank, LPU is ahead of many prestigious institutions like University of Waterloo, University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, University of California. And further, if I talk about the you can say Times Higher Education Impact Ranking, LPU make the you can say top 100 universities globally. And furthermore, if I talk about the quality in terms of quality education, we have 19th rank globally and second in India among both government and private universities. And if I further go with the world university rankings, then we have 25th among top universities in India worldwide, 800 to 1000 1000 band. And we are ahead of various IITs like IIT, you can say Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Kolkata, Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar, Indian Institute of Technology, Mandi, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Bhopal. And in the research category, we have 9th rank. And we can say QS World Ranking, if I talk about. And by the subject chemistry, we have 18th rank in India. And further, if I talk about the Science Mango Institute rankings, which evaluates universities and research focused institutes based on scientific output as a measure of academic quality. And in this, we have 7th rank amongst all private universities of India. If I talk about the accreditation for regarding NBA, our MBA program is accredited by NBA, and other BTech programs also being accredited by NBA, like BTech Computer Science and Engineering, BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering, BTech Mechanical Engineering, and BTech Civil Engineering. And another accreditation we have ACBSP for Management School of Mithra School of Management. And over here ACBSP is specialized accreditation, Association for Business Education, supporting, celebrating, rewarding teaching excellence, and going from USA. This ranking is this accreditation is from USA. And another approvals we have like UGC approval for the regular programs as well as distance programs we have. And another approval NCTE for education programs we have. And approvals like CI, Council of Architecture, Bar Council of India, All India Council for Technical Education, Institute of Town Planners and Physiotherapist program approvals we have. Punjab State Council for Agriculture and Education, for the agriculture programs approval we have. And if I talk about the memberships, then Association of Indian Universities, membership we have. International Association of Universities, Institute of International Education membership we have. If I talk about the placement and achievements of our students, then our student Yasiram, BTech CSC class 2018, got a record-breaking package 3 crore. I'm working in a global MNC company in Germany. And if I talk about the other students, like more than 770 LPU students selected at a package of 10 lakh to 62.72 lakh rupees per annum, and in the various renowned companies like Palo Alto, Google, Amazon, Moto RQ. Our student Asif Yusuf got UPSC rank 328 rank. Our alumni Somya Kumari cleared UPSC exam with 502 rank. our Anwar Ullah Ansari awarded scholarship by the Higher Education in Federal Republic of Germany. Aditya Singh has been selected as a reviewer in American International Journals and IJSSM ET Journal. Hazif Abdullah got selected at Leeds Beckett University, UK for higher studies with scholarship. Another achievements of ours, so like Devanarayan got 100% fee waiver scholarship in Finland. And if I talk about the sports achievements of our students, then I can say the 13 students represented in Tokyo Olympics, and out of 13, 12 students have got the Olympic medals, one gold medal, one silver, two bronze medals. And another achievements by our students in sports, we have first runner-up in Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Sports Trophy, and it has been first ever private university to clinch this title since its inception 1956. Furthermore, a record-breaking 24 LPU students now is going to represent at Paris Olympic Games 2024, and we can say LPU students make up to 21% of the Indian team at the Paris Olympic Games. And these are the names of our students who are going to participate in the Olympic Games, like Neeraj Chopra, you already heard of his name, gold medalist in the men's javelin throw at Tokyo Olympic Games 2020 Olympics. Saicom Mirabai Chanu, MA Psychology, weightlifter in the women's category. Indian hockey team members, we have Captain Amanpreet Singh, Hardik Singh, Samsher, Mandeep, Sukhjeet, Jugraj, all pursuing BA, and Manpreet and Gurjant pursuing MBA, and Jamanpreet Singh. Furthermore, we have in the team of this boxers, our students is also been there in the category of boxer, wrestler, shooting, athletics. We have our team, our student is representing India in Olympic Games. Further, if I talk about how you are going to check our website for your interested program, then you have to go to our website, and like lpu.in, you just need to open the website. Just give me a second. I'm going to share the screen for this. Yeah. Okay. So very first you have to search lpu.in, and over here okay, I just go to the another web browser. Okay, it's good. So over here you just type lpu.in, and then our website will open, and over there you can see the various you can say uh, tabs over there. Just open. Yeah. Yes. Now over here it is about admissions, academics, campus life, placement, research. Now you go to the admissions, and in under the admissions tab over here you can see there is a YLPU residential facilities. If you want to know about the residential facilities in LPU, you just click over here, and then you can check all the residential facilities available over here. Reporting and induction, after taking admission, after booking your seat, you have to report, and for every program the reporting date is different, so candidate or student can check his reporting date from here also. And if I going to show you the reporting and induction page, there we are going to provide the various you can say you can say services, shuttle services from nearby cities. And how you can check from this page, you can check the details for the shuttle services available. And okay, furthermore, if you want to know about the school of, suppose you want to know the school of this uh, just give me a second, schools in LPU, just type this and search schools in LPU, and over here you just open this web page, LPU schools and department list. And further, suppose you want to know about the school of computer science and engineering, then you just need to click that particular school. I think internet issue is there. Just give me a second. Okay, so if you go to this page, reporting induction, previously I have shown you this page, and in this page you can see uh, airport cab services, where to stay, local attraction, infrastructure, what to bring, and similar reporting. If you go to this reporting and induction schedule over, you can check the reporting schedule for you, and the freshman schedule, all the things minutely we have mentioned on this page, reporting and induction page. And further, if you want this web page, schools in LQ, I'll try it again, maybe net issue. Okay, from here, if you want to check it out, the details for the particular school, go to this lpu.in and go to the admissions, and then regular programs, click over here. And from here you need to apply the filter, like if you have previous qualification 12th class, and then you have to select the discipline. In the discipline, you go to this computer science and engineering. Under this program, computer science and engineering, we have various programs available. uh, Programs we have with the specializations or minors, we have machine learning and program specializations we have. You can check from this program we have, and then we are offering CSC and industry programs and specialized program for BTech CSC, and then international transfer option also we have. 2 2+2 means the 2 years that help you as 2 years in the foreign university, and final degree you will get from the foreign university. So this is the how the
Yeah, maybe there is a network issue with our admission nominee, Lavleen Kumar Bhagi.
ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
All right, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so over here, the eligibility criteria for the BTech CSC program, you can see. And further regarding the all the rankings, I have already been to shown you in the slide. You can check from here also. And the subject you are going to study in your first, second semester, first year, second year, like third year, fourth year, you can check all the details over here. For the program fee, applicable program fee, you can check from directly from here. And the test important dates, all the important things you can check from this page. the scholarships applicable for the various other categories. And further, the last date to get the phase 3 scholarship benefit. As phase 3 scholarship benefit is already been going on, the last date to book your seat, it is to be 31st July 2024. And how you, if you want to contact, then how, the page over here I'll show you. Here it is to be, just keep this. It is to be there. I just click over here, lpu.in again, lpu.in, and over here contact us. Yes, this contact. You click over here, contact, and then all these are the important numbers over here. If you want to, you can say discuss with us, or you have any query, you can contact us at these numbers. We have a WhatsApp number also. You can just type hello over there, and our team will respond to you. And if you have any query, you can mail us also at admissions@lpu.co.in. So this way you can contact us. So this is all about for this BTech CSC especially program. And thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much to our admission nominee, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi. And once again, thanks to our expert, Mr. Rattamagan. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding admissions. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I will be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.